Hi everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a really frustrating issue. Your keyboard and mouse aren't working after resetting your computer. This can happen for various reasons. Don't worry, we'll go through some simple solutions to get you back up and running. First, let's try the simplest solution, a hard reboot. Completely power down your computer. Unplug it from the wall. Wait about 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. This can sometimes clear out temporary glitches. Still no luck? Let's move on to checking your USB connections. Make sure your keyboard and mouse are plugged directly into your computer. Avoid using USB hubs for now. Try different USB ports. Sometimes, a particular port may be faulty. If you're using a desktop computer, try the USB ports on the back of the computer tower. These are often directly connected to the motherboard. This provides a more stable connection. Next, we need to check if the issue is with your BIOS settings. You'll need to use a working keyboard and mouse for this step if possible. If you have an old PS/2 keyboard/mouse, use it to enter the BIOS. Restart your computer. As it's booting up, press the key to enter your BIOS setup. This key varies. Common keys include Delete, F2, F12, or Escape. Look for a setting related to USB legacy support or XHCI handoff. Enable these settings. Save your changes. Exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart. This often solves the issue because it tells the BIOS to recognize USB devices during the boot process. If the BIOS method doesn't work, let's consider driver issues. After a reset, drivers can sometimes get corrupted or not installed correctly. If you have a spare keyboard and mouse or a way to control your computer remotely, use it to access Device Manager. To open Device Manager, search for it in the Windows search bar. Look for any devices with yellow exclamation marks. These indicate driver problems. Right-click on your keyboard and mouse devices. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find and install the correct drivers. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling the device and restarting your computer. Windows will usually automatically reinstall the drivers. If you're still facing issues, visit the website of your keyboard and mouse manufacturer. Download the latest drivers for your specific model. Install them manually. Also, consider running the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Search for Troubleshooting in the Windows search bar. Open the troubleshooting settings. Click on Hardware and Devices. Run the troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions. This troubleshooter can automatically detect and fix common hardware problems. Another thing to check is the fast startup feature. This feature can sometimes interfere with device recognition. To disable it, search for Power Options in the Windows search bar. Click on Choose what the power buttons do. Click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, recommended. Save your changes. Restart your computer. If none of these steps work, there is a small chance the problem is caused by system corruption. You may need to perform a system restore or a clean install to fix the problems. This is a more advanced solution, but it can sometimes be necessary. So, those are some of the most common fixes for keyboard and mouse issues after a reset. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials.